Hello everybody. I'm here to do another bloom with my pretty colors I got here. I did one and I scraped it. I did this little test and I just love it. And I'm trying to make mine round. The last one I did wasn't round enough. I know you can't get exactly the same as you had before, but you can get close, I guess. Just pouring my Glidden Essentials and my Beautitone eggshell paint mixed together down. Just mixed up some gold. This is my Rust-Oleum gold. Okay, so the last time I put gold on the bottom, but I didn't see much showing, so I'm gonna put the orange on the bottom, then the gold, then the pink. There's not much of this left either. Maybe I'll just use pink. I have another pink I can use. I have I didn't write this one on here. I think this is a metallic. Anyway, I'll finish this off. I don't know whether it will show, but I'm going to put this metallic pink. This is, oh, I know what this is. This is a Folk Art metallic shimmer, rose shimmer. So I'll put that down next. And I'll put the gold. Oh, I meant to put the gold in between them too. Oh dear. I need to water this down a bit. Oh, I think I have some more gold here. What is this? Oh, it's rose gold. I don't want to use that. All right. I'll use this medium magenta, Liquitex Basics. This is ultramarine blue. stretch it a bit. Okay. I got a hair. Well, it seems like it's a little bit better than the last one I did. Don't like these little indents there, but I got more gold showing this time. Well, that closed in pretty good in the middle quickly. Still lots of air bubbles. It's always best to do your paints the night before, but you can't always do that. Okay. This one's pretty. Wow, I got big cells and little cells. Gold coming through. I love how the gold comes through. I'm glad I put it in second and not on the bottom. There, I didn't get too many white spots. I think I'm going to leave this one. I think it's really pretty. Even got a burst of orange there. Surprised it came through. It's good. That's why you need transparent paint when you do this technique. I'll hold it up. Actually, I can just zoom you in. there. Take it out of here. It's very pretty. I need something to put it on. Oh, I will put it on a rack to dry after. There you go. Hope you enjoyed this one and have a great day. Come back to Carole's art room. The dried results will be coming up. There you go. There's the dried results. My bling. It's 95% dry. The middle is still a little wet. Look at that orange that came out and the gold. It's gorgeous. Beautiful. There you go. Dried results. Have a good day. Bye-bye.